In my entire lifetime, I have never won any lottery ticket before, which, by the way, is about 0.00666% chance of happening. Sometimes life just presents these lotteries like ode to you now and then. Something may or may not happen. And if I were to strike a lottery odd, I hope isn't this particular one. 1 in 3800 or 0.026% chance of hitting Earth on 6 May 2022. That's right, people. NASA just decided to tell us that we have a greater chance of being hit by an asteroid than randomly striking it rich through lotteries. Which means we are all gonna die. Or maybe you are optimistic and think that translates to more than 99% chance of the discovered asteroid not hitting Earth. Since I'm packing my bag and heading in my resignation to book a 3-year holiday with my life savings, here are some more facts you might want to know in my last video before we all gonna space crash. It's 128 meter wide and impact would 15 times larger than the Hiroshima atomic bomb. Why did they choose to use the pyramid as a measuring unit? Don't ask me, I have never seen the Great Pyramid before, so I have no idea how big that it is. But one thing you should want to know is that it's 420 feet, means 128 meter across, and assuming it hit Earth, it will strike with a force of 230 kiloton, means 230,000 ton of TNT. The atomic bomb on Hiroshima was about 15 kiloton of TNT. And just to bring the point across again, that's 15 times of Hiroshima of it hits. And by the way, the asteroid is known as Jf1. What will happen if it does hit? The obvious thing to say is that people will die. If it hit a populated area, that's an instant wipe out a million of that. But most of the earth is water. Anyway, right? Then we are good, right? No. Even if it were to hit the most remote part of the Pacific Ocean, it will still result in devastating tsunami and a nuclear winter that could severely impact on Earth. Hold on a second, surely somebody is trying to do something about this, right? Researchers and engineers working on mission to deflect space rocks. How exactly are they going to do this? Are they going to gather all the Nokia phones we have to build a barrier? Do we gather our energies to launch a Kamamiya and destroy the asteroid to Samatherians? It's actually quite simple in the mission called Asteroid Impact Deflection Assessment. And this mission is going to be tested on a pre-selected double asteroid called Didymos to prove the technique as a viable method of planetary defense. Planetary defense? That sounds like we are being attacked by alien or something. A spacecraft will be launched to crash into the space rock, and then the second ship will assess the crash and get the data on the effect of the collision.